Hi everyone. Today we'll see another Selenium interview question, and this is regarding handling drop-down list. Yes, how you can handle drop-downs in Selenium WebDriver, or how can you select any value from the drop-down list. So drop-down is very common component in the web applications, and we should know how we can handle drop-down or combo box in the web applications using Selenium WebDriver. So yes, there are various examples of drop downs. You can select days in a calendar, or you can select January, February, month. So there are several combo box examples, and you must be aware of those combo boxes. But yes, today we'll see how we can handle drop down or combo boxes in Selenium WebDriver. All right, so we'll see the we will write the automation code how to handle the drop down values, and we will see the demo how we can handle the drop downs, and we'll see how we can select the values from the drop downs. So there are three techniques using which we can select the values from the drop down list. So let's see the demo now. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the Eclipse editor, and here I have created one class DropdownList demo, and these two lines, this will initialize the Firefox driver, and it will launch the facebook.com page. Okay, so before writing further code, I'll show you the drop down which we are going to automate. Is this drop down. So from the Facebook, and you can see these are the drop downs, birthday is there, and in the birthday we have to select the day, we have to select the month, and we have to select the year. So this is one very common example of drop down, and we'll see using Selenium WebDriver how we can select the values from the drop down. Okay, so the step one is, first of all you need to identify that what are the element locators of this drop down. Let's say for example we have to select the month on this page, and let's say I have to select the month April. Okay, so first of all you need to get the ID of this drop down. So what you can do, I'll be using this Firebug to know the HTML code behind this application. Okay, so let's launch the Firebug now. I'll click on this, it will launch the Firebug. Here you go. So this is the Firebug, and using this arrow button I will highlight this month, and here you can see I have got the ID as month. So for this combo box the ID is month, for day combo box the ID is day, and for year it is this. Well, I will focus on one combo box for now, and same way we can write the code for the other combo boxes as well. Okay, now we know this ID is month for this combo box. Okay, now let's start writing the code straight away. Cool. So there are basically two steps to do that, and the one is, okay, so what we'll do, we'll try to find the element like driver dot find element and by dot ID, and here we will provide the ID of the month combo box. So ID of month combo box is this month. I'll just copy this, and here I'll paste it. So this is the it will return me web element. So I'll say web element WE is equal to this. Cool. WE, let's say okay, cool, WE for now. Alright, so the next step is to create the object of select class. So select SEL is equal to new select, and we'll pass the parameter WE. Okay, so we have written these two lines of code. The above two lines for launching the Firefox and navigating to facebook.com, and these 2 lines are for handling the drop down. So what we need to do, so the step 1 is you need to find the element, you need to locate the drop down, and then you need to create the object of select class, and you will be passing the locator of the drop down as a parameter to the select class. Well, these 2 lines, that's it. And now if I click on this, I can see various options like select by index, select by value, select by visible text. So we can use any of these 3 methods to select the value. Okay, so I'll use select by visible text here, this method, select by visible text. And what exactly the meaning of visible text is that whatever you can see into this drop down, it is visible text. So let's say I want to select August, AUG. Okay, so I'll pass AUG here, AUG. Okay, so it will select me August. So yeah, it's pretty simple. We have written only 3 lines of code and we'll be able to handle the combo box month. So this is for handling the combo box month. So what we did, we find the combo box, we look by this find element by ID, and after that we created the object of select class, and then we use the method select by visible text. Let's run the code and see whether we are able to select the August month or not. Here you go, let's run the program. Okay, I'm running the program and we'll see whether we are able to select the August month or not. So in the interview, if anybody asks you how to handle drop downs, you just need to mention that okay, to handle drop down we need to find the element, and then we need to create the object of select class, and within the select class I'll while creating the object of select class, in the parameter I'll pass the web element, and then we can use various methods available in the select class like select by visible text, select by index, select by value. So these 3 methods we can use. Now we can see that Firefox has been launched and it's navigating to facebook.com, and it should select the month. Come on, yeah, here you go, it has selected August month, you can see. Cool. So this way we can handle the drop down. Okay, I'll show you what if I don't want to use select by visible text. Okay, so I can use select dot select by index. So let's say I want to select the Feb month, so I'll pass 2. Okay, select by index, so this time it will select the Feb month. It's pretty simple, select by index, 1 for January, 2 for Feb month. Let's run whether and see whether we are able to select the Feb month or not. So the methods are similar, so it's up to the user which method the user wants to use. So the user will have 3 options like select by visible text, or select by index, or select by value. And using these 3 methods from the select class, we can handle the drop downs in Selenium automation or in automation testing. Okay, so the answer is very simple. We need to create the object of select class. This is the key point. We need to create the object of the select class by select, and then select object is equal to new select class, and within bracket we'll pass the web element. Now you can see it has selected the Feb month. Okay, well, that brings me to the end of the session today. Thank you so much.